warmth is established right across Europe, but what I will add is that it's going to be a little bit more changeable. So certainly not wall-to-wall sunshine. It does look as though it's going to be pleasantly warm, but we are going to see now and then a few refreshing showers. So some good news there. Bye-bye.
The Lebanese government resigns en masse and blames last week's explosion on corruption that is bigger than the state itself. Some celebrate the end of the government, but angry protests continue amid scepticism that much will change.
A reshuffling of the same old faces at the top isn't going to solve Lebanon's crisis.
The death toll from the explosion has risen to more than 200, 6,000 injured. We'll be looking at what now for Lebanon. Also tonight, the row over school results. The Scottish government apologises and says it will make an announcement tomorrow to put things right. British Olympic medalist Niall Wilson, the highest profile male gymnast to speak out about abuse in his sport.
The gymnasts are still, in my opinion, treated like pieces of meat.
Violence in Belarus over yesterday's disputed presidential election that the UK government calls seriously flawed. And new research suggests so much ice has melted in Antarctica since the mid-90s, it could fill the Grand Canyon. Good evening. The entire Lebanese government has stood down following last Tuesday's catastrophic explosion in Beirut. The Prime Minister said it was the result of endemic corruption, which is bigger than the state itself. Angry protests have continued at the government's handling of the crisis as the country faces economic collapse and food shortages. Well, our Middle East correspondent Quentin Somerville is in Beirut.